Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So this episode opens up with uPhetheni and uNjengaye. They are still at their holiday and they are having breakfast. At this point guys, I don't know wuthi this holiday wuthi phela nini, because these scenes are actually starting to get a bit boring, but I see where they're going. So anyway, Phetheni, as I said, they're having breakfast there, and Phetheni is like, you're saying suti manje. Then she looks at uNjengaye, she's like, awu yini? uNjengaye is staring at her, and he's just smiling. She's like, yini wangikhonozela nje, like, kunokudla ebusweni, like, khona into wrong. And then uNjengaye says, cha, abukho lutho, ukuthi nje like awazi. You don't know ukuthi nginenhlanhla engakanani ukuthi wena usempilweni yami. And then Phetheni is like, "Aw, like so kalile so kalile ngezinto zakho ke." And then uNjengaye is like, "Ngempela how? Like you always glow when we're on holidays." Then uPhetheni is like, that means ukuthi mesibuyele ekhaya, I will plan our next holiday." Then uNjengaye is like, "Yeah, please. Kube yimina nawe sobabili kuphela on that holiday." Then uPhetheni is like, yes, thina sobabili kuphela, no kids, just us. So as they're speaking like that, Olisi, he passes by, and then uNjengaye sees Olisi passing by, and he's like, hey, Olisi kancane nje. Olisi comes over, he's like, it's introduce her to my beautiful lady, unkosikazi wami, unkosikazi wami lo uPhetheni. And then Olisi is like, oh, Phetheni sawubona nkosazana. Then uPhetheni is like, yebo sawubona, siyajabula ukwazi. Then Olisi is like, Olisi says to uNjengaye, mfethu, like you didn't miss here, ukhethe kahle. And then uNjengaye is like, awuvele, like angidlali ney'ngane mina. And then they laughing there. And then Olisi is like, ayi wakhetha mfo, wakhetha. And then uNokhuzana, uNjengaye then says to uPhetheni, Olisi ke no umngani wami that I made here around here yesterday. While they're speaking like that and they laughing around that, Olisi is like, listen, let's go and play. Oh, uNjengaye actually is the one who suggested, let's go and play golf. And then Olisi is like, yes, I'm not sure if I want to go and play golf with you, because I'm going to beat you. Next thing, you're not going to want to be my friend. So they're laughing over that. So as they're speaking about this golf thing, uPhetheni then says, how about we have a double date when you guys are done with the golf? She's looking at Olisi's finger, and Olisi is wearing a ring on his wedding finger, so that's why she's asking for a double date. And then uLokhuzana, like Olisi just keeps quiet for a while. And then uPhetheni says ukuthi yazi ngingathanda, like I would love to get to meet unkosikazi wakho. And then uLokhuzana, she notices that Olisi is quiet. Then she says, how ushadile kanti? Oh, you're not married. And then Olisi says, oh yes, like yona impela iring umshado lena. He goes on to say ukuthi like akunankinga, there's no problem, we can have leyo double date dinner, there's no problem, like singayenza. Then uPhetheni is like, okay, nice, like no kusazoba mnandi. And in you can see they're really getting along, and I'm like kusazoba thanks lineup. Anyway, again, we see uThuli, uNelly, they are washing, uThuli and uNelly, they are wiping the dishes. uThuli silege, nama advice wakhe. She's like, lalela ke Nelly, oh, kuzomele ukuthi uqale uziphathise owomuntu oganile, like starting from now. And then uLokhuzana, uNelly is like, awungeke, oh, na like, you know, that's too much. Then uThuli is like, hayi bo wena Nelly, musu ukuthi like hayi ngeke uyenze leyo nto, kuzofanele ukuthi mawukhuluma nje nabantu like laphayana emzini, awubabuke emehlweni when you speak to them. You speak to them softly and then uzibhekela phansi. She goes on to say ukuthi uvuka ngo-5 ekuseni ubenzela itiye, and then uNelly is like, hayi ngeke, oh like hayi ngo-2024 kusavuka ngo-5, hayi ngeke, oh like izinto sezishintshile manje. uThini is like, hayi bo akukho kushintshile wena Nelly, usavukwa even in 2024. She goes on to say ukuthi angithi uyawufuna lo mento, angithi uyawufuna. So musa nje uzikhulumisa komuntu oyi-slay queen lana. UNelly then says ngeke ngizobukeka ingathi like I'm trying too hard, ngizobukeka ingathi umuntu that I'm trying to impress them too hard and I'm trying to be their daughter-in-law. Then uThuli is like vele uyaba-impressa, vele ufuna uba umakoti walaphayana. Then she says, okunye-ke, the most important thing, yabona uma ubanikeza ukudla, awumi njengey'nyawo uma ubanikeza ukudla. UNelly's like, ngenze njani? And then uThuli is like, ushaya idolo phansi. And then uNelly's like, awungeke. I don't know why uNelly's complaining, but I guess the reason why uNelly's complaining because she feels like I'm just a girlfriend, so why must I be going to do wife duties and I'm not yet a wife? You know, bazothi ukuthi ngiyaphapha. So manje uThulisile is like, hey wena, if ufuna ukungena, prove to them ukuthi like you are capable of doing these things. UThulisile then says ukuthi uyangiqaka mina or ukuthi like awuzazi lezi zinto engikuqaqela zona, ungumZulu nje, singamaZulu thina, like you know ukuthi vele kwenziwa sona like kithi. Then uThulisile goes on to say ukuthi oh enye into ke ukuthi ungayifaki ibhlukwe. And then uNelly is like, kodwa mina bengithi ukuthi ngizopakisha amajini awuthunyana just in case. UThuli is like, hayi Nelly. Like kubalulekile ukuthi ugqoke nje, uhlonipheke, like uzimboze nje, like uzikhavarishe nje yonke into, like cover everything that's concerning you. Or yazini ngizophekhisa mina iy'mpahla kwisikhwesi yakho, ngiphekhisa izinto ezi-right ngoba nje ngiyabona ukuthi sengathi uyabhayiza nje. And I'm just like, Shay uThuli, that time she knows all of these tricks, but still akashadile. That means ukuthi the trick is really not in the tricks. Then we see uSibongile. uSibongile, it looks like she's done doing dishes, you guys, when uNobuhle walks in, her aunt. So uNobushe's like, sawubona Sibongile mntanami, with a smile on her face. And then uSibongile is like, sawubona ma, yazi ungena nje bengithi ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngiye ey'tolo. Then uNobuhle is like, aw, empelweni mntanami bengithi ukuthi angizoxolisa ngalento that happened izolo. Ukuthi nje, so as she's trying to explain herself, uSibongile is like, ayikhululeka ma, like asikho isidingo ukuze uxolise nje. Mina bengifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi ubani yena uma, like who are you? uNobuhle is like, how? Awusangiboni? Hayi kodwa angikusoli mntanami. After washona uMbali phela nganyamalala nami. And then uSibongile is like, you know, confused, puzzled. She has a puzzled facial expression. And she's like, wawumazi uma wami? And then Nobuhle is like, yebo, uMbali udadewethu. And then uSibongile is like, hayibo, cela uhlale phansi ma. And she's surprised. uMbali umdadewenu. And then uNobuhle is like, na. And then uNokhuzana uSibongile is like, ima-ke, uMbali udadewenu, shuthi wena ungungane Buhle. And then Nobuhle is like, yimi impela. Yo, uSibongile is so happy, guys. She's like, ma, she jumps on top of uNobuhle, she hugs her. She's like, yazi abanga ngawe nje ey'nsukwini, kaze ngajabula ukubona. Yo, guys, this Sibongile wamanje, the way ephapha ngakhona, like even her voice shame, guys, akajwayeleki, but sizothini. So anyway, she's like, yazi bengicabanga ezinsukwini nje, like ngaze ngajabula. I'm so happy to see you. Shame uNobuhle is so happy that uSibongile is happy for her. And she's like, ngaze ngajabula that you actually still remember my name. uSibongile is like, ima, emva kweminyaka emingaka, ungixolele ma, bengingasaboni mina. However ma, she's so happy there. And uNobuhle is like, ngaze ngajabula mntanami. uNkulunkulu unemimangaliso. And then uSibongile is like, imangane, manje uhlalaphi? And then uNobuhle is like, hayi mntanami ngihlala la eQobo, unomngani wami nje ovele wathi nali ikamera nje. uSibongile is like, hawu ngempela ma, athi ngibiza ubaba uzojabula nje that you came just right in time for umcimbi wakhe, for his wedding. While she's getting up, she's about to call uVuma. Then uNokhuzana uNobuhle is like, ima mntanami. Bengithanda ukuthi, like, I would like for us to rather go to your mother's grave first. And then Usbongile is like, "Etunin lama, like, what are we going to do there?" Then Nobuhle is like, "No, it's just been a while. Like, I think it would be nice for the two of us to go there." And then Usbongile avume. And then she's like, "Mabeng alung umele rancane, I think you'll touch it and then we can go together." Then that scene ends. And then we see Umam V, she is in Unomfundo's hotel a room, and then Umam V is like, "I get Nomfundo, yabona ke, like lento ngitshela yona leyangane, like I'm sure by now she's told her mother already. Yimpempe phela leyangane." Speaking about uwenzeni ukuthi, I'm sure wenzeni told uPhetheni ukuthi she saw uNomfundo at the place that they are at. Then Nomfundo's like, "Lutho ke, like azange amtshele." And then Umam V is like, "Ayibo wazi kanjani Mfundo?" Then Nomfundo's like, "Une-stranger phela esivele savela safika sangirestuisha nje." And then she kept quiet. And then Umam V is like, "Stranger." Unomfundo says ukuthi omunye nje umbhemi othiwa umxolisi uvele wafika nje pretending ngathi ufike nami lana. And then we left uwenzeni standing there ekhamisile. Umamviza kunamanga wena. Unomfundo zathi ngiyakutshela uBoy nowenzeni bakholwa nje, they believed everything. And then umamviza uphike manje nomxolisi wakhona. Nomfundo zathi kukhona nje around ukuthi nje yo sengifila bad ngoba ushadile uGayi. Umam V, when she hears that guy, she's like, "Hayi ke Mfundo, like sisakhuluma ngendaba njengaye lana futhi nawe ngalana usuyosukela enye indoda eshadile kanti yini Mfundo?" Unomfundo zakho umxolisi kahle akashadile ukuthi nje ufake iringi. Umam V is like, "Ikhona nje indoda would just go buy iringi esitolo where at bese ikutshela ukuthi ayishadile." Uyawazi ukuthi amadoda anamanga kanjani. Ushadile lo muntu, like leave him. Unomfundo is like, "Sis Mavis, like washonelwa unkosikazi wakho umxolisi." Then Sis Mavis is like, "How banza? It's Aram." And then Nomfundo is like, "Ngiyazi nami bengifila bad nje umanje nje I feel so bad." Then Sis Mavis is like, "Oh yazi Mfundo, usakhuluma ngalo mbhemi like owashonela umkakhe. Yazi I think he's the perfect one. Yabona umuntu nje ovele wafika empilweni yakho, wafika nje njengemana eqhamuka ezulwini. He's the perfect one. Don't let him go." Uyangizwa? Nomfundo zayi cha, like abanga ukuthi like nje yabona into yokushonela umfazi wakhe. Umamvisa athi, "Nomfundo usingile wena?" Ngithi, "Naye usingile." Yini ke manje ezonivimba ukuthi nithandane? Then she goes on to say ukuthi, "Nomfundo cela ukuthi ukhiphe lento engqondweni yakho yokuzitshela ukuthi unjengaye, ukuthi one day uzoshiya unkosikazi wakhe aze la kuwena. Nangu umxolisi, don't let him go." I'm just like, Umam V coming through with solid advice there. But Nomfundo, it looks like she does like uGayi, umxolisi, but it looks like, I mean, she's been with Unjengayo for years, you guys. Unjengayo has promised that he's still doing things for her even now, so it's not going to be an easy thing. Right? Next thing we see ke uNelly ke uthulisile. She's giving Umkhize itiye and Umkhize is waiting for Unelu. Bo, Unelu comes out of the room, guys, looking so beautiful there with her long dress, like it's nice. It's not too tight on her. That time she has another tuk on her shoulders. When she comes out of the room, Umkhize ukhazeke njani? Thanda samba zowamuhle ini. Unelu is like, I thought ukuthi this is going to be too much. Ukuthi umawakho uzothi ngenza kakhulu. Umkhize is like, "No, my mother's gonna love you." Ngalana Unelu is like, nanga amabhiskiti esiwahamba nawo. I bought them for your mother. I hope ukuthi uzowathanda. Othulisile is standing there ekoneni. She is so proud of herself. She did a good job, Shame, and let's hope ukuthi it works. Next thing we see Nomfundo shave. Nomfundo comes with ice cream. She sees Olisi and she comes and brings him ice cream. And she's like, "Listen, I'm here to apologize. for what happened izolo. And then Umxolisi is like, Aibo, yazi, you're the first woman that ever has apologized. Then bahleke. Unomfundo was like, it's just that I really thought ukuthi bofuna ungenza umakhwapheni wakho. Then Umxolisi is like, I would never do that to a woman like you. Ngiwenza umakhwapheni wakho wami. Ngiyindoda mina, like, I'm not like that guy. Speaking about Unjengaye, but he doesn't know that Unjengaye is the same guy that is playing Unomfundo. And then Umxolisi says, like, what are you doing tonight? There's a lovely couple that I met today. They invited me to have dinner with them, so please come with me if you don't mind. Unomfundo's like, yazi khona abantu engiba-avoidayo lana, so like I really don't want to be out. And then Umxolisi says to her, how kahle, like just loosen up a bit. Uphume nje erumini lakho. Let's watch the stars and be around new people esingabazi. Like, woza ngiyacela. And then Nomfundo's like, angizobona, let's just eat our ice cream before it melts. And then we see Usbongile no ngane wakhe, guys. They are just coming back from the gravesite, and Unobuhle is thanking Usbongile, uthi ngiyabonga, thank you for coming with me to go and see umawakho. Then Usbongile is like, awunankinga. Unobuhle spills the beans, guys. She says, listen, there's something that I want to tell you about your mother's death. Then Usbongile is like, ushukuthini? Then Unobuhle says, ukuthi phela, what we thought killed your mother is not the reason why she died. There's someone else who actually killed your mother. Usbongile is like, Aibo, like, it's not possible. Peluma, she was a good person. Like, people loved her around life. Oh, but like, who would kill a person like that? And then Unobuhle says ukuthi yilo wesifazane ozoshada ubaba wakho. Usbongile is like, what? Utheni? Yiloyo wesifazane ozothini? Usbongile is in shock. She's like, hayi uMamSamkele, like she's not like that. Akasoze, she would never do something like that. Like umphathiso wengane yakhe. Then ubuhle-ke says ukuthi yazi uMbali before she passed away wangitshela mina ukuthi uye eThekwini. Uthi eThekwini uhamba nomngane wakhe oculayo. Umngane wakhe oculayo is uSamkele. She goes on to say ukuthi uSamkele phela wamisa enyangeni esangomeni, and that sangoma gave uMbali umuthi that ended up killing her. Usbongile, guys, she's in disbelief. She's like, Aibo, uMamSamkele, like she would never do that in Unobuhle is trying to convince her ukuthi vele she will act nice to get whatever she wants, but she's not the person you guys think she is. I get, guys, that scene ends. Then we see uWenzeni no Themba. They are playing a game, guys. What's that game called? Ngikhohliwe, the one where you have to you guys are in groups, or okay, you don't necessarily have to be in groups, where you have to describe something to umuntu and that person has to guess ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Something like that. Is it not 30 seconds, 60 seconds, something like that, or 90 seconds, whatever it's called, guys. So they're playing that game. So uWenzeni, there's another girl usho ukuthi maybe umngani wakhe that she met them. They on one team, and then uThemba and another guy, they're on one team. Ushukuthi they met these friends laphayana we holiday treat or resort yabo. So when Zen is like into edliwayo, okay, like i-brown lento engizamukazela yona. Again, then uThemba says, okay, sesiphelile isikhathi senu, because uThemba, he has a counter that's counting down. So uThemba says, okay, sesiphelile isikhathi senu. And then where is that how Themba? Then uThemba's like, sesiphelile isikhathi senu, like it's our turn now. uWenzeni's like, hayi nina niyarobha nina, hayi. And then uThemba's like, hayibo isikhathi senu siphelile Wenzeni, like kudlala thina manje, give us the chance. uWenzeni's like, uyazibona ukuthi njani, uyazibona uyachitha njengomma wakho, angeke. I was just like, Wenzeni, how did it jump from 0 to 100 that fast? uThemba he's sitting there, and then he gets up. He's like, uyabona-ke, ungenaphi uma. uWenzeni like, uyangena, angithi uyena ozifakile, like ozifakile emndenini wami. uThemba's like, oh ngobani? Ngoba wena uma wakho uyingelosi, he? Your mother's a queen. Ngenxa yokuthi wena uma wakho unemali. Then uwenzeni zathi, if you would have to compare my mother and your mother, ngempela uma wami uyingonosi futhi nje unguJesse yena uqobo lwakhe in comparison to uNomfundo. UThemba zacala ukuthi uhlukane nami. Uwenzeni is like, with pleasure. Like when and what you need to do for me is that you need to return emgodini lo phuma kuwona. I'm just like, when Zen is a rotten mouth, as they're fighting, their mom V comes and she's like, hi, kanti yini ngani. She comes in, she's like, benidlala kahle manje, you guys are fighting. When Zen uxolisa. When Zen is like, I'm not gonna do that. Then she's like, Themba, get all this. So Themba's like, Aibo, angeke ngolise mina. And she's like, okay, fine. Ngiyayela mina. I'm just like, these kids. Okay, guys, last scene we see uPhetheni and uNjengaye, guys. They are dressed so nice in black. They're looking so beautiful. Ushuti, they are waiting for Mxolisi and his partner. So they're busy talking about what's Mr. Dilelana with dinner. Maybe so yeah, we karaoke. Unjengaye is like, wow, when lost to be do karaoke in ini, and then Unjengaye says, I know we'll go, but anyway, Unxolisi insizwe right. So as he's saying that, Unxolisi is coming with uNomfundo, but they're coming from behind. uNomfundo obviously notices ukuthi uPhetheni benonjengaye nona, but she can't turn back. She's here already. So ulokhuzana Olisi comes and he appears and is like, is very right. Then he's like, me right you got. So he comes and then they see uNomfundo. And then like uPhetheni benonjengaye is shocked. But can you imagine? Ukuthi Njengaye must be more shocked ukuthi uNomfundo is meeting a guy on his budget. Imagine, guys. Then that scene ends. The last scene, guys, kwambambo. There's a ceremony. Kuyagidwa laphayana, kuyapulwa laphayana. Ubaba uNtombela, he is so happy, guys. He gets up, he says a speech ukuthi thina bakwaNtombela siyazamkela inkomo zakwambambo. And then people start relating. And so while they're doing that, uSibongile comes in, guys. Comes in storming to the front where uSamke and uVuma are sitting there looking all beautiful. uVuma zathi, Sibongile nganami, uyahlebeza laphayana. Sibongile ngane yami, kade sikufuna la kuqhamukaphi. And then unokhuzana uSamke says, yazi bengikufuna nje like the whole day. uSibongile says ukuthi ubungifunani wena mthakathi ndini. Yo, uVuma is surprised, is like, Gaibo, like usungenwe yini Sibongile? uSibongile looks at uSamke and she's like, iqiniso ukuthi wambulala ngempela uma wami. And then it just ends there. uSamke is just surprised. She is speechless, you guys. Hey guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.